Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This is the limited trim level featuring a total price of $55,610. Finished here in velvet red over wicker beige and global black. This also features the 3.6 liter V6 mated to the 8-speed automatic. Options this one has: customer preferred package, luxury group 2, dual pane panoramic sunroof, the navigation, and these tires, which are $14.95. Sunshade. Now, I was just saying, Jeep is stepping up the game. This is really impressive. This is really, really nice. I love the gray stitching. You do have a third row. I mean, Jeep is really impressive now. Velvet red is very, very similar to Octane red. Might even be the same paint, just named differently. LEDs. Virtual rear view mirror. There's that dual pane sunroof. Nice. Forward-facing camera, review camera. Oh, now that is cool. So if you have kids in the back and, you know, they sometimes like to fight, that is ingenious. Wow. I love that. And I'm sure a lot of families will too. You know, if you have like an infant or whatever, and obviously you're facing forward, you don't want to turn around and check on them. You can just kind of do that. That is awesome. I love that. All your different apps. Hey Alexa. Does it do it like that? Oh, okay, it's not set up. I'm not going to set it up because reversing camera. Bunch of different drive modes too. You have snow, sand and mud, auto, sport. Will be going in auto for the drive. Do have paddle shifters behind the wheel. I haven't really used them. I think they're more for off-road use. I think they're actually plastic but metal feeling, so you really can't tell the difference unless you actually tap on it. Hold right paddle. This thing is really impressive. I'm not just saying that because obviously we're trying to sell it. This is my first time behind the wheel of it. It is honestly really surprisingly good. It drives similar to the Grand Cherokee, the normal one. Obviously just a little bit different. And the interior is worlds above the normal Grand Cherokee. It's really surprising. I was gonna say FCA, it's now Stellantis. They're stepping up their game. They really are. This was developed under FCA, I do believe, before they formed Stellantis. But even so, it is honestly very surprising how much luxury you get for the price. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.